The mission statement for Katech Incorporated has changed some over the years, but the mission has always included responsive service, innovative products, and leading-edge technology. These three concepts can never change. Established in the late 70s, Katech has always been a leader, not a follower. The responsive service is the company's foundation. The innovative products and leading-edge technology is the challenge for all of us, and Katech is prepared to lead the way. Katech has been first in many endeavors and finished first in many performance venues. Keeping ahead of the competition reflects the results. These achievements entrenched Katech as a force in an industry known for fleeting success. The championships and victories were realized from the road warriors in the 24 and 12-hour endurance races, to the rigors of stock car racing, to the fragile, blazing speed of the Indy Racing League. These accomplishments pushed the company to the next level of the performance industry. It also led to the continual integration of solid engineering with the years of hardcore racing. The transition from a technical-based format to an engineering-based format was at first subtle, but as the technology age accelerated, so did Katech's commitment to be on the leading edge, not trailing it. Our equipment has validated that commitment. The methods for checking, analyzing, inspecting, and verifying individual components exceed the industry standards. The Dynoscope has a capacity of 6 to 40 power to ascertain the best potential materials to be utilized in a project, and allows us to inspect any failures or durability issues far beyond the norm. Also, the ability exists to photograph in color the findings and to incorporate these images into your presentation or report. The ring tensioning equipment is absolutely ahead of the rest of the industry. This allows us to be at leading edge of oil control and quantifying applied ring force. The sonic micrometer and its capabilities allow for the maximum fastener stress without incurring the failures that so often escape definition. The hot honing process is an accepted standard in Formula One. It is in its infancy in the U.S., but does allow us to provide close to perfectly round bores at operating temperatures. This minimizes internal friction, along with the most precise surface finish, with our ability to control the ring tension to the most definable increments. In conjunction with this process is our ability to dimensionally verify our findings with the PAT Incometer, which is a service that Katech also can provide to any progressive thinking company trying to reach this level of precision measurement. In tandem with the ability to determine cylindricity is the capability to measure bore surface parameters, providing the best applicable bore finish. The EasyCam system allows for precision measurement of camshafts and provides data to aid in the design phase of valve train analysis. This allows us the accuracy in measuring lobes and journals to zero in on the most aggressive cam without sacrificing the durability. Our ability to quantify a wide variety of parameters only aids us in our ability to build the best possible engine package for any engine application. The marriage of technology and experience takes place at this point to validate why a customer should place their program at Katech. This guarantees a blend of progressive thinking with the premise of sound fundamentals, which converts into a winning combination. The testing corridor presents 6 precision test cells that offer results and data that allow for the best potential package to be generated. Cell 1 is a valve train analysis cell that incorporates the laser technology that is the current accepted standard in the industry, and the latest software package that provides data that can readily be applied to the desired applications. This cell also is equipped with durability programming to validate the extensive distances utilized in most professional race series. Cells 2, 3, and 4 all have been equipped with the latest in absorption units, controls, and data acquisition. This allows for a large spectrum of RPM and data gathering capability that are broad enough to tackle any job. These cells are state-of-the-art, from the pre-programmed throttle control to the most updated soundproofing and exhaust systems available. Cells 5 and 6 are unique cells, as they are for a variety of specific applications. Cell 5 is used to evaluate, measure, and calibrate all fuel delivery systems, including injectors and rails, to maximize the fuel calibration. Cell 6 is basically for friction and cylinder pressure measuring parasitic losses. This cell, with its 300 horsepower electric motor, is the most accurate method of obtaining motoring data. These capabilities alone would be sufficient to solidify any production or racing program. But Katech did not stop. The machining and fabrication areas are available to support any aspect of ongoing programs and are sufficiently staffed and outfitted to run prototype or small production jobs as well. The engineering department is upgraded to the latest programming and CAD drawing generations to accommodate the manufacturing capabilities. All of this is brought together in a total, professional, and functioning business environment that makes the experience of dealing with Katech worthwhile and rewarding. Starting from the first line on the tube to the checkered flags at the finish line, it makes good sense to put your project in the hands of a truly professional organization, Katech Incorporated.